Thank you. Oh yeah. Well, this is a battery.
Yeah, I believe that.
What is that, a park? It is.
That's the way I want to come down.
Huh?
I want to come down that way, but you don't want to.
Woo. Just hot. These are not the places to come in the summertime. Can't say. Feels good out here. What do you need to cash in your thing? Players Club. Let's go this way. Wait a minute. 139. Big money. You ready to give me my 50 back now?
Well, at least you know to check it now.
Mm-hmm.
You want your money now?
What?
You want it now?
Oh, yeah. Hold up.
For what?
Oh, it's yours. It ain't mine. It's in my way.
It's supposed to be around
See, this is, oh, we can go this way. Instead of going up the stairs, we'll take the little scenic route here.
I need to go up the stairs.
That's the hotel. To Black Oaks right there. That's the casino. You guys kind of see what it looked when we went in there. What it looked like. Pretty nice little casino. It's a nice little getaway. Got a little park here. That's what we're going up to now. Going up to the little park. The wife just done her little thing. She just hit the button 5 or 6 times and come out with double what she put in. What was that again?
Almost triple.
Almost triple.
Yes.
Nice little park. Grass really green. Greener than mine. My goodness.
Gonna renew our vows down there.
Nice little pavilion right there. Yeah. Black Oak Casino, folks. Black Oak Casino. Got parking. Plenty of parking for you right there. Plenty of parking. Nice wood, pine trees, oak trees. You name it. It's out here. Whatever tree you want. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about this one to Rancheria?
I like Rancheria.
Huh?
I like Rancheria.
It's better than this one? You think?
Yep.
A lot of serious people up in here, I'll tell you that. I mean, they are serious. You know, normally when you come to these casinos, you're supposed to be like laughing and, you know, man, we go in there smiling, you know, you're supposed to be smiling, laughing. Like they see on the commercial, you go up in there, man. Ain't nobody smiling, laughing. They're serious, man. I'm trying to win that money. All we do is we just like the RV stuff. We come to the RV park. Nice little getaway. Somewhere in the woods. Alright guys. I'll holler back in a minute. We'll get back to the RV. We're in the RV park section. And they have a pond. A pond. There's fish in there. I've seen them jumping and everything. But guess what? I forgot to bring my fishing pole. So we're just going to enjoy the scenery. The next time I'm back, though, I will be fishing here. But I bet you there's some monsters in there. Just look at that. It's ripe for the monsters. You got that nice breeze hitting the top of it. It's ripe for monsters to be in there. I bet you there's some in there. So anyway, we're going to enjoy our little adventures. Going to enjoy the little trail we're on right now. As you can hear, a lot of things going on up here. Huh? Oh, they got probably everything in these woods. I wouldn't be surprised we don't see a snake. So you see, up here at Black Oaks, you can go around and just enjoy nature. So we kind of doing this like early in the morning. It's about 10 o'clock. We got a little late start. But look at the fish. Look at the fish. Those are bass. Little bass. Little bass in here, baby. Oh man, it's monsters in here. I know it. It's monsters.